Good morning, everyone. My name is Isaiah Kuti. I'm a PhD student at Sherbrooke University from Cobius Lab. Today, I'm going to present you our work, and the title of my presentation is Splicing Structure Base, Selection of Protein Isoform, Improve the Accuracy of Gene tree Reconstruction. Gene tree is used to describe evolutionary processes, to describe the evolution of a set of related genes. Gene tree allow the functional annotation of genes, the gene prediction and classification. And gene tree is used as baseline of many other genome analyses. In the literature, there are many methods proposed to reconstruct gene trees. The main one is the method used by Ensemble. Let's see how it works. Given 5 genes with their set of transcripts, this method starts by select the longest transcript per genes. The selected transcript may have different structures. The selected transcripts are then aligned and used to build the gene trees. This method had some limits. The first one comes from the fact that only a subset of transcripts is selected, and the selected transcript may have different structures. The splicing structure are ignored. We propose to consider all transcripts of each genes to account for splicing structure conservation and to identify the splicing ortholog group. Our proposed pipeline is described as follows. For a given gene family, we start by compute a similarity measure. This similarity measure is based on the splice alignment. The splice alignment allows us to define two subsimilarity, the splicing structure similarity and the sequence similarity. These two subsimilarity are then combined. And then we apply a singular value decomposition to transform each transcript into a vector. And this transformation allows us to apply the fuzzy semins. This result allows us to then compute the gene tree. Let's see how our similarity measure is defined. For a given splice alignment, we start by making some annotation. On this splice alignment, the yellow color represents the translation phase, the green color represents the exon length, and we can see some splice event like 5' extension, 3' extension, exon skipping, internal gap. Our similarity measure SIM is the sum of structural similarity and the sequence similarity. The structural similarity is composed by splice site, translation phase, exon length, and the sequence similarity is an alignment score. This similarity measure allows us to obtain a similarity matrix. By applying SVD and fuzzy semin, we obtain some hard clustering. Each color here represents a similarity groups. We then select the highest cardinality group and make sure that each gene is represented in this group. Here, for example, the gene G3 is not represented, and we will select the transcript from these genes which is closer from the group to the red group. And finally, we obtain a splicing homolog group on which we will build the gene tree. The main difference between our approach and Ensemble approach comes from the fact that Ensemble gene tree are built on a set of non-splicing homolog, whereas in our approach, the gene tree are built on a set of splicing homolog. We apply our approach in order to reconstruct some gene tree present in Ensemble database. In the last figure, we wanted to know what is the percentages of the common represented transcript in gene family between our approach and Ensemble approach. We note that in average, 84% of transcripts are in common. When we consider only the genes having more than one transcript, we note that this percentage drops to 40. Here, we wanted to know what is the percentages of the key from each method which can pass the IU test. At the left, the yellow color SHT represents the percentages of the key from our approach which pass the IU test. The blue and the red color represent the same percentages from the ensemble approach which pass the IU test. We observe that our approach perform better than the ensemble approach. In the right, we compute the reconciliation score from our approach and the ensemble approach. Our approach here, it's color in yellow, and the ensemble approach, it's color on red and blue. The green color represents the percentage of gene family for which SHT, our approach, and ensemble approach tree are identical. The green represents the percentages of the tree for which the two trees differ, but they have the same reconciliation cost. The red color represents the percentages of the tree for which ensemble tree has a lower reconciliation cost. And finally, the yellow represents the percentage of the tree for which our approach has the lowest reconciliation cost. We observe that when the two trees are different, or when the reconciliation costs are different, our approach has the lowest reconciliation cost, which means that our approach is better than the ensemble approach. These results show that our approach are able to increase the quality of the gene tree. In conclusion, in our works, we propose a new similarity measure. We extend the Fuzit mean and apply in the context of transcript clustering. And finally, we use the isoform autolog group to build gene tree. I want to acknowledge my supervisor, Aida Wangawo, my team, Cobius Lab, the Canada CHED, and finally the University of Sherbrooke. Thank you.